Watercolor painting for beginners. This time up I have another tree. My reference photo that I was looking at, I'm just showing like a light pencil drawing here so you can pause it if you wanted to do the sketch before the painting. But I found a small book at a yard sale and it had some really nice looking trees in it. There wasn't a whole lot of instruction, but anyways, this is a black walnut tree. I thought would be nice for a demonstration today. So again, with your light pencil drawing first, and then make sure to erase some of the lines and lighten them up so they don't show through your painting. But these colors are pretty dark for this tree, so if you can see a tiny bit, that's okay. And I started off with a deeper brown there first. So whatever dark brown you have, a burnt umber or even like that Van Dyke brown, it would be nice too. And then I'm mixing in some burnt sienna as well, just in that middle portion there. And for the greens, I used a sap green. Olive would work too. And then I mixed some yellow in with the green for the highlighted areas. So you have your dark, middle, and light. And for my deeper shade of green where the shadows are, I mixed a tiny bit of my deep brown in with it. That worked pretty well. Again, that'll depend on how bright your green is, especially if you're working with a Viridian or something. You really do want to tone that down, so you can use some of the brown, and that'll work really well. So the first layer's there, and then after that's dry, I'm going in here with my darker brown. Well, it's just I mixed a tiny bit of black in with mine because it really wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be, but the second coat really helped. And the last part here is just the shadows. Like I mentioned, the darker brown and then the darker green, and you can put a little bit of grass below with some dirt if you'd like.